Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. This is the 14th lecture of a special series of SEBI Grade A Examination 2020. In our 14th lecture, we are discussing MCQs based on leadership theories. So this is very important topic for your upcoming examination. You can subscribe to EduCare 247 for further updates. We have started important lecture series for upcoming examination of RBI, SEBI and NABARD. EduCare 247 has launched SEBI Grade A 2020 crash course, and this crash course will be useful in phase 1, phase 2 and interview. In this course we are covering the complete syllabus of paper 2, GS of paper 1, topic wise MCQs will be provided. Our content is very concise and crisp. Live doubt session will be taken and important video lessons will be there. Right now we are giving 1000 rupees discount because of world lockdown, so it will be called lockdown learning. You can use code SEBI to get 1000 rupees discount, and you can visit educare247.com and subscribe to the course. The first question is, which of the following leadership style is not the type of situational leadership model? The answer is B, agreeing. Basically there are 4 types of situational leadership model. The first is telling. In this, the leader minutely supervise their followers, constantly instruct them what to do, how to do and when to do. The next is selling. In that, the leader provides control direction and little open to two-way communication, and he sometimes listen to followers as well. The third is participating. In this, leader seeks opinion and participation of the followers and then establish the task according to their opinion. The leader in this case tries creating relationship with the followers. The fourth is delegating. In this style of leadership, the leader only plays role in the decision making. They delegates the responsibilities to the followers, and followers come with the solution and then leader takes the decision. That is delegation. So these are the 4 types of situational leadership model. So remember these important points, it can be asked in the examination. The next question is, which of the following leadership theories talks about effectiveness of leadership based on situation? Here the answer is B, Fiedler's contingency model. In Fiedler's contingency theory, the leadership effectiveness was based on studies of wide range of group effectiveness, and it is concentrated on relationship between leadership and organizational performance. So basically performance of organization and leadership is related, and in this case the leader's behavior is dependent upon the favorability of leadership situation, and there could be multiple kind of situation. Here we'll talk about 3 kind of situation. The first is leader member relation. Basically in this, the degree to which leaders is trusted and liked by the group member and willingness of group members to follow the leader's guidance, it will impact the leadership behavior and that will impact the organization performance. The next is task structure. In this case, the degree to which the group's task has been described as a structured and unstructured manner. If the task is clearly defined, then it will be easy for people to perform the task and it will improve the organization performance. So basically how the task has been structured, it will impact the leadership behavior and that will impact the organization. The third is position power. Basically the power of a leader by the virtue of organizational position and degree to which leader can exercise authority on group members in order to comply with and accept the direction and the leadership. So basically how organization is defining the position and how people are willing to accept that position, this will impact the overall organization behavior. So this is very important point. You must remember all the important points related to Fiedler's contingency model. Many times it has been asked in the examination. The next question is, with reference to leadership and management, which of the following is not correct? So basically here you have to answer which of the following statement is not incorrect. This is the long statement, so you can read and then answer. But here the answer is C. Why C is the answer? Because C is saying while managers follow their own instinct and the leaders follow the organization policies and procedure. This is opposite. Basically, leaders follow their own instinct and managers follow the organization's policies and procedure. We'll see some difference between management and leadership. Basically, the management lay down the structure and delegate authority and responsibility. In the other hand, leaders provide direction and developing the organization vision, communicating it to the employees and inspiring them to achieve it. So second is the management includes focus on planning, organization, staffing, direction and control. But leaders mainly focus on directing function of the management, like what they do, they listen, they build the relationship with the teammates, they inspire people, they motivate people, they pursue their followers. So this is leadership. The third is leader gets his authority from his follower, but the manager gets his authority from the virtue of his position in the organization. So these are the difference. These are very important difference. You must remember all the important point. And the fourth one we have just discussed. Basically, managers follow the organization policies and the procedure, but leaders follow their own instinct. The fifth one is the management deals with the technical dimension of the organization and the job content, but leadership deals with the people aspect in an organization. The sixth one is the management is reactive and the leadership is proactive. So that is also very important. Management react, but leadership planned proactively. Management is based more on written communication, while leadership is based on more verbal communication, because here you have to motivate people, you have to build relationship, you have to listen to people. So that is more about verbal communication. So remember all the important point which is related to difference between leadership and management. The next question is, which of the following is not the part of level 5 leadership hierarchy? Here the answer is D. Basically, general manager is not the part of level 5 leadership hierarchy. We'll see the levels. The first level is highly capable individuals. The second level is contributing team members. The third level is competent manager. And the fourth level is effective leader. And the fifth level is executive. So executive is the part of 5 level leadership hierarchy. Effective leader is the part of 5 level leadership hierarchy. Highly capable individuals are the part of hierarchy, but general manager is not the part of hierarchy. So this is very important hierarchy and it has been asked in the examination. So you must remember these important points. The next question is, which of the following is not the style of leadership according to Likhart's management system? Here the answer is democratic, D. Basically, there are 4 kind of management system or leadership style identified by Likhart's. The first one is exploitative authority. Here the responsibility lies in the hand of people at the upper level of hierarchy, and the superior has no trust and confidence in their subordinate. Here decisions are imposed on subordinate and they are not free to ask or discuss things. The second system is benevolent authoritative. Here the responsibility lies at managerial level, but lower level organization has little confidence and they are trusted little bit, not much. Here master servant relationship is followed. The third one is consultative. Here responsibility is spread widely through organizational hierarchy and superior has substantial but not complete confidence in the subordinate, and here discussion happens related to job and accordingly team performs the task and communication are easy. The fourth one is participative. Here responsibility for achieving the organizational goal is widespread throughout the organizational hierarchy and there is a high level of confidence that the superior has in their subordinates. So these are the 4 style of leadership identified by Likhart, and this is very important for your upcoming examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and keep learning.